Hello everyone, I am Dr.R.Anusuya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Information Technology at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to discuss about the topic on basics of C programming. The contents are character sets of C and steps for executing the program. First, we discuss about the character sets used in C programming language. C language consists of characters, numbers, and special symbols. The character set of C consists of the alphabets A to Z in both uppercase and lowercase letters. The numbers used are 0, 1 up to 9 with any combinations. The special symbols used in C languages are open curly braces, close curly braces, open square bracket, close square bracket, plus symbol, minus symbol, asterisk, slash, etc. These are all called the character sets of C and it is used for mainly writing C programming language. The words formed from the character sets are building blocks of C and are sometimes known as tokens. These tokens represent the individual entity of C language. The different types of tokens used in C are identifiers, keyword, constants, and operators. First, we discuss about identifiers. A C program consists of two types of elements called user-defined and system-defined. Identifier is nothing but a name given to these elements. An identifier is a word used by a programmer to name a variable, function, or label. Identifiers consist of letters and digits if any order except that the first character must be letter. Both uppercase and lowercase letters can be used. Next, keyword. Keywords are nothing but system-defined identifiers. Keywords are reserved words of the language. They have specific meaning in the language and cannot be used by the programmer as variable or constant names. C is case sensitive. It means these numbers used as it is. 32 keywords are used in C programming languages. Some of the keywords are auto, double, int, struct, break, else, long, switch, etc. Variables. Variables used to store the values temporarily during the execution of the program. Variables are allocated memory space in RAM depending on the data type. Rules for variables. The first letter should be alphabet. Variables can be combination of alphabets and digits. Underscore is the only special character allowed to write variables. Variables can be written in both uppercase and lowercase or combination of both. Variables are case sensitive. No space allowed between characters. Variable name should not make use to the C reserved keywords. Variable name should not start with a number. Next, constants. A constant is a value or an identifier whose value cannot be changed during the execution of the program. Example 1, 2, 5, etc. As mentioned, an identifier also can be defined as constant. Example, constant double pi equal to 3.14. Here, pi is a variable name, 3.14 is a constant. The constants are many types. Integer constant. Integer constant is a numeric constant without any fractional or exponential part. There are three types of integer constant in C: decimal constant, octal constant, and hexadecimal constant. The decimal constant consists of the base 10, the octal constant is 8, the hexadecimal constant base is 16. Next type is floating point constants. The floating point constant is a numeric constant that has either a fractional form or an exponential form. Example, 20.50, 30.50. We can write any number with decimal point that is considered as floating point constant. Next, character constant. The character constant is a constant which uses single quotation around the character. Example, A, I, M with single quotation. String constants. String constants are the constants which are enclosed in a pair of double quotation mark. For example, a word enclosed with double quotation are called string constant. Here are some examples: good, earth, etc. Next, the operators. Operator is a symbol that operates on a value or a variable. For example, plus is an operator to perform addition. In any operation, an operand may any numerical value, variable, constant, etc. on which program makes an operation. For example, A plus B, operator plus A and B are the operands. The next content is steps for executing the program. Creation of program. Program should be written in C editor. The file name does not necessarily include extension of C. The default extension is C. Compilation of program. The source program statement should be translated into object program which is suitable for executing by the computer. The translation is done after correcting each statement. If there is no error, compilation proceeds and translate program and stored in another file with the same name with the extension of OBJ. The OBJ is the object program, that is machine readable format. Execution of the program. After the compilation, the executable object code will be loaded onto the computer's main memory and the program is executed. Hope you all understand about the character set of C and creation and execution of the C programming. Thank you.